Hi, this is Jane. Welcome to my kitchen. It's Memorial Day weekend and most of us, a lot of us, entertain. We have family, friends come over, we're playing games inside and out of the house, and I usually try to come up with something that I can feed a lot of people. And I've got a recipe today that I want to share with you, and it's called Cuban sandwiches. And if you've ever had Cuban sandwiches, they are awesome, but we're going to take it a step further. We're going to do Cuban sliders. So the first thing you want to start off with is King's Hawaiian sweet rolls, and they are phenomenal. Then what I do is I pair it with Kretschmar Virginia ham. And then I'm not going to forget, I've got to add Kretschmar baby Swiss and put those three items together along with some other items, and you're going to have a sandwich that is going to be great for your whole crowd of people that you have over. I took 2 packages of the Hawaiian sweet rolls. Now what we're going to do is we're going to lay out the Virginia Kretschmar ham. Kretschmar has the baby Swiss, so we're going to add that in here. There we go. So now, after I've added the pickles, I'm just going to add the tops back on. Last but not least, we're going to add some sauce to it. There we go. Now they're ready to go. I'm just going to throw them in the oven and they'll be ready. Okay, my next recipe goes great with anything. It'll go great with the Cuban sliders. It is one of my absolute favorites. In fact, I serve it a lot during the summertime when I entertain, especially out at the lake, and it is the #1 hit, and I can guarantee you there's nothing left after I put it out. So it is actually a summer salsa. I'm going to add the tomatoes. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in some fresh pineapple. Then I'm going to add the black beans. Then we're going to add in some corn. I'm going to add avocado, some jalapeno peppers. Then I'm going to add just a little bit of red onion. I'm going to add a little bit of fresh garlic cloves, and then cilantro. I love cilantro. I'm going to add some olive oil. And then last, I'm going to add my lime juice to it. And that's how easy it is to make this recipe, and it's ready to go. You just serve it with some chips, maybe a couple margaritas by the water. There you go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to pull out the Cuban sliders, and we'll pair it up with this, and we're going to do some sampling. Okay, I've got my sliders ready. I've got my fresh summer salsa already done, and now all I need is a couple side things to add to my meal for Memorial Day. What I did is I ran down to one of our delis and I got some penne pasta, and what is Memorial Day weekend without smoky beans, so I had to make sure I got that. And I wanted to add a little sweetness to it, so I bought some Strawberry Delight. Have a great, wonderful Memorial Day weekend. Hopefully the weather is absolutely beautiful so we can enjoy it outside, and we'll see you in a few weeks.